Hey, boys and girls. Today is lesson number 10 in Distinct Voices, Diverse Perspectives. And our goal today is that I can use details from a drama to determine the theme. So what I want you to do is grab your mentor text, a pencil, and a highlighter, and let's get ready to rock and roll. All right, let's talk about summarizing. So, a summary tells others what the story or drama is about. You've got somebody, what they wanted, but, so, then. So our somebody in this drama is Papa Jennings. He wanted to get more money from the TVA for his land so that he could get better soil and provide for his family. But the TVA would only give him a little bit of money for his farm. So Papa Jennings went to the TVA office to talk to Mr. Bailey. And then Mr. Bailey wouldn't listen to Papa. They have 1 month to leave the farm. So a summary in this case is telling us it's taking the long drama and putting it into a small section so that we can kind of get the understanding of what the whole entire story is about in just a few sentences. What is theme? So theme is the message. It's the message of what the story is trying to tell you. What is the theme of the story? So it's the message or lesson that the author wants you to take away from the story. We're going to be talking about author's point of view as well and showing the author's feelings and what they think about what they've written. So when you are learning about theme, you're asking, what did the characters learn? And how did the characters change? So in our case, what did the characters learn in our story? Or in this drama? Well, they learned that they're basically getting kicked off of their land because they're putting in, they're moving so they can flood the valley, and they're moving them onto some different land. And how did the characters change? Well, the characters changed because they weren't happy. They're upset and frustrated because they're moving from one bad piece of land to another. So let's take a look at page 13. Okay, I have highlighted what Papa is saying. You're making us leave our family farms just to go to another farm we can barely live off of and wait around to maybe get a job with the TVA. Let's think about our author's point of view here. Okay? Now you've got Mr. Bailey, and he's saying the government is flooding the valley. What is our author's point of view here? Yes, it shows government action. It's showing what the government is doing. So make sure you highlight those things and that you also write down the author's point of view on this page. Okay. All right, let's take a look here. Papa's saying, Ginny, they're giving us a month. And Mama's, so sorry. And Mama's like, what? And so the author's point of view here is showing how unfair the government actions are in this case. And the theme at the bottom, it's saying the government does things that are not always fair. So that's because they're taking away their land and making them move to another piece of land for the benefit of basically the government. And I've also bracketed that Mama's saying, George, Doris, our farm is not a good farm. The soil is weak, full of rocks. Every year we dig up a new field because another field is exhausted. Remember, we use exhausted. It's done. It's completed. There's nothing else to come out of that property. The author's point of view here is just showing that it is not a good deal. they're getting the shaft because they're moving from, again, they have bad land already, and the new land that they're going to give them is not good either. All right, your turn. Take a look at page 13. I want you to think about the TVA plan and how it will affect the family. Think that through. I think we probably already know how it's going to affect the family. What I want you to look for is what theme can we learn from Mr. Bailey's point of view. You're going to take that chunk on page, I'm going to pull it up here, on page 13, and you are going to just look at what Mr. Bailey is. Where is it? Right here. Take a look at what Mr. Bailey is saying there. That's where you want to draw your theme from, his point of view. Make sure you highlight and support your answer with text evidence. Go ahead and pause and do that. All right, welcome back. Okay, so I have underlined what Papa's saying on page 13. You're forcing us to move to another farm that's just as bad as the one we're on now. And the money you gave us for our land isn't enough to start over somewhere else. Now, I've highlighted Mr. Bailey's point of view. Right, listen, Jennifer. This river valley is full of people like you living without electricity or water. By flooding some of the farms in this valley and building dams, there will be cheap power and water, and some men like you will get jobs. So think about his point of view here. Do you know it? The theme is progress or improvement comes at a cost. As I taught this lesson earlier, live, somebody said that he's thinking he's doing them a favor by bringing them up to speed with cheap power and water. And he's actually, that's his point of view, and he's actually doing a disservice to Papa and Mama. All right, here's where you get to evaluate your learning. I can use details from a drama to determine the themes. Can you? Are you a 1, 2, 3, or 4? Please mark that up in the corner of your mentor text, and I will see you again tomorrow.